The Chinese economy thrives as a manufacturing powerhouse, and the nation's products seem to be everywhere. The majority of tags, labels, and stickers on a variety of goods proclaim they are made in China. Because of this, it's understandable Western consumers might wonder, why is everything made in China? Given the abundance of Chinese products in the marketplace, it's understandable consumers might wonder why so many goods are made in China. One of the reasons companies manufacture their product in China is because of the abundance of lower wage workers available in the country. China is home to approximately 1.39 billion people, which makes it the most populous country in the world. The law of supply and demand tells us that since the supply of workers is greater than the demand for low wage workers, wages stay low.